Look at this dumb bro. Hit me, bro. Are you me? Hey, pull the let's go! Hyundai Elantra CRWC 386. Let's go. Let's pull it over. Let's pull it over. Hyundai Elantra CRWC 386. Oh.
Everyone on the road. I'm in a police-looking like vehicle, and he basically kind of like it was one of those. So I thought, well, screw this guy. So I got in behind him. I put my spotlight on. I flashed my beams. I flashed my lights at him.
You said you put your spotlights in your car. I haven't seen your car.
Yeah.
So you have one of those spotlights that law enforcement or cabs have.
To them. Okay.
Okay.
I flashed my headlights at him.
Okay.
Now, whatever I heard his statement, he said I was flashing red and blue lights at him. I have
Madam Tussauds. By the way, on the show.
Yeah, anyway, we'd love to have you on the show.
Look, I'd ask.
I would absolutely have to.
You look
Ooh.
What the hell?
Did you make the team? Am I looking at the new starting point guard? I got cut. I'm not playing with this team, bro. Ooh. Son, I'm so sorry. You know, I've been in your shoes before. Yeah, I used to miss all my favorite NBA games.
Cabrón, mamaví.
Oh, is that what it was? Yeah, okay. I didn't know if it was you or him. I just saw...
Oh my god, the guy behind me is coming up. Alright. Jesus! What are you doing? Trey, wait. You're a shit. Hey. Sorry, that guy's a...
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.